Do you ever start a sentence in Italian and halfway through you forget what you were even trying to say? It feels awful, right? You panic, lose your thread, switch to English, or even worse, say nothing at all. I've seen this happen to hundreds of learners I've coached. The truth is, you are not bad at languages, you are just missing 5 simple habits that can make your Italian instantly clearer, easier to follow, and way more confident. And in this video I'll show you how to apply them in just 7 days. So let's start with the most overlooked habit, the one that makes or breaks your Italian from the very first sentence. Most Italian learners rush. They fill silence with allora, thinking the faster they speak, the more fluent they'll sound. Wrong. Let me just give you an example. Which page is easier to read? The one with paragraphs or the one without? Speaking works the same way. Pauses make concepts more digestible. You may argue that writing and speaking are 2 different tools, so let me give you an auditory example. Ciao, entro in un bar, dico buongiorno, un cappuccino per favore, un cornetto da portare via, il barista dice va bene, io aspetto, pago, dico grazie e vado via. Ciao, entro in un bar, dico buongiorno, un cappuccino per favore e un cornetto da portare via. Il barista dice va bene, io aspetto, pago, dico grazie e vado via. So habit number 1, pause more. Now, pausing helps, but it's not enough if your speed is still out of control. Speaking Italian makes foreigners nervous. I totally get it, I see it every day. But nerves make you speak too fast, and fast doesn't mean fluent, it means unclear. It's like highlighting every single line in a book, nothing stands out. Instead, slow down just at the key word. Say it 20% slower and stronger. Voglio davvero imparare bene l'italiano. Voglio davvero imparare bene l'italiano. Which one is better? So, habit number 2, slow down to highlight. And once you slow down, you'll notice something else. Your sentences naturally get shorter. That leads us straight to the next habit. Ever feel your mouth moving faster than your brain? Like a runner who trips mid-jog. It's like opening 12 browser tabs at once, everything lags, and you don't know what to do first. You are literally thinking while you are speaking. That's rambling. Watch this. Penso che forse, insomma, come si dice? Potremmo o potremo? Ho dimenticato. Andare domani. Just say. Andiamo domani. Short, direct, clear. So, habit number 3, say it as it is. Stop rambling with clear statements, but even short statements don't work if you never finish them. Jumping mid-sentences forces people to chase you, and trust me, they will not. They'll stop listening. It's like walking a dog that suddenly bolts left, right, and back at the same time. Chaos. Instead, one idea. Pause. Next idea. Studio italiano e guardo una serie in italiano. Studio italiano ogni mattina. Dopo guardo una serie in italiano. Which one is better? So, habit number 4. Finish one thought before starting the next. If you want people not just to follow you, but to remember what you say, you need this one last habit. When learners get stuck, they just repeat themselves slower and louder. But slower doesn't help. People still don't get it. What helps is connecting your idea to something they already know. For example, if you want to say imparare i verbi italiani è veramente difficile, but you are missing the words, you can use an analogy. Imparare i verbi è come bere un caffè senza zucchero. So, habit number 5, use analogies to explain. Use words that are close to you. Here, not here. Because fluency isn't about speaking 10 more words. It's about making your 5 words understood. Be weird, be creative. Now, I've said a lot, but if you really want to learn Italian faster, if learning Italian is a struggle, you really need to watch this video next. And remember, stick to Italian, and Italian will stick to you. Ciao.